Alright, slightly different feeling than yesterday morning at around this time. In fact, it's about 24 hours exactly since I first went out, and there's no snow on the ground. Now I've got proper winter clothes on, ski pants, and I have to try to make the decision whether to start shoveling now or wait till it's all out here. I don't know if you can see it, but that's about 1.5 feet on the stick where drifting isn't too common. And we've got, I don't know, some places on the deck over 2 feet easy.